My name is Arabella Reyes, 23 years old, single, and no kids. I have no work experience in abroad. It will be my first time, but I have experience in taking care of children, do housekeeping and household chores, cooking. My skills is I can cook, housekeeping, and willing to learn new things like cooking another dishes. And my personality is I am disciplined, loyal, and honest person. I can work alone or with coworker. My preferred job is to do household chores and taking care of kids and cleaning the house. Thank you.